If you're in Guatemala and you're thinking about Massachusetts, you may be wondering if building a life here is still realistic. Many people hear mixed information about work, stability, immigration option, and it creates confusion. The truth is, thousands of Guatemalan families have built strong lives here in Massachusetts, and many continue to do so every year. I'm Giselle, an immigration attorney based in Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm founder of the law offices of Giselle M. Rodriguez. And I help Guatemalan individuals and families create a pathway toward a life here in the United States. If this type of immigration information you find helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a step. Massachusetts has a growing Guatemalan community, especially in the greater Boston area. Guatemalans are one of the larger Central American groups in the state and continue to grow every year. Cities like Waltham, East Boston, Ladner, Framingham, and Marlborough have strong Guatemalan population. Having an established community matters because new arrivals often find support through family networks, local businesses, and community organizations. This makes it easier to adjust, find work, and build stability over time. Many Guatemalan immigrants come to Massachusetts ready for work and to support their families. Guatemalans in Greater Boston have some of the highest workforce participation rates among immigrant groups. Common industries include construction, landscaping, food services, maintenance, and hospitality. These jobs are essential to the Massachusetts community and create consistent demand for workers. But it's important to understand that working legally always depends on your immigration status, not just job availability. And understanding your options before accepting work can protect your future. Of course, we also understand that sometimes the immigration process is not as easy as it may sound, and sometimes there may be no options. But it's important to get the right legal guidance. Many Guatemalan immigrants arrive with limited access to formal education because of the economic conditions in Guatemala. Some also arrive perhaps with limited English, which can make the first year in the U.S. more challenging. Massachusetts has many programs that support adult education, English classes, and job training. Over time, improving language skills and education can create more stability and open additional opportunities. Families often focus on creating better educational opportunities for their children, which is one of the main reasons why people choose Massachusetts. Waltham have become one of the most recognized Guatemalan communities in Massachusetts. Guatemalans represent a significant portion of the Latino population and have helped shape the city's workforce and local culture. Many work in nearby towns through construction, landscaping, maintenance, and other service industry jobs. Local Guatemalan-owned businesses, restaurants, markets have also grown, helping families feel more at home while maintaining cultural traditions. Community organizations and local programs continue to expand to support Guatemalan families as the population grows. Many Guatemalan families come to Massachusetts with long-term goals, supporting family members, creating stability, and building a better future for their children. Some eventually explore business ownership, opening restaurants, cleaning companies or service industry companies, landscaping businesses, or small service companies. Others focus on steady employment and education for their children. Every path looks different, and immigration options depend on each person's situation. This is why understanding your legal options and planning carefully can put you in a better position. Immigration rules, processing times, and eligibility requirements can change, and every case is unique. Some people may qualify for family-based options, employment-based pathways, or other forms of relief, depending on your individual circumstances. Getting clear information early can help avoid costly mistakes and reduce stress later. Guatemalan families continue to choose Massachusetts for opportunity, community, and long-term stability. If you'd like guidance on your specific situation, my office is here to help you understand your options with clarity and care.